47 car rather stymied into seeing corner as well. In his pursuit, yellows at turn 11.
Mistake from Fabien Michel, that'll lose him second position because Matthew Richard Bell was right there ready to pounce, and now Custodio Toledo is in the fence for Richard Mille AF Corse, missing the rear wing though as well.
I don't think he was the only car involved in that.
Probably not. Certainly not. Banksy tried to move, and it was the pincer affair. And who's that flicked across the nose? That's a Pro-Am car. Horst Felbermeyer also involved. So Feldmeyer on the inside, Banksy was getting pinched, and Toledo possibly the innocent party and all that, but he's gone in the fence, no rear wing on that car. Now we're awaiting a decision. Prepare for virtual safety car in the next 20 seconds.
Yeah, just saw in the background, by the way, Abdullah Al-Khalifi coming out from taking his drive-through penalty issue. Let's go to this virtual safety car. As the marshal's just checking the driver is okay. The car fundamentally isn't.
Well, the rector cell barriers have been deliberately aligned there to allow for them to create this cushion zone. So a virtual safety car is like a full course yellow in that there's this 80-kilometre speed limit or 50 miles per hour that everyone has to adhere to. Let's see the incident again. So Banksy went for the overtake. I'm not entirely sure he knew that Horst Felbermeyer was also trying to overtake both GT cars at the same time, and the hit was substantial in the end. I mean, he's not hitting bare Armco, but nevertheless it's the very end of those rector cell barriers. So certainly Custodio Toledo will have felt that, and that's why the marshal's priority is to make sure that he is okay, conscious, able to put the thumbs up. Look at this line at LMP. Well, actually, there's an LMP2 car in the middle of that as well, the second place car of Louis Rousset.
Well, let's just explain this process. Virtual safety car. Pits are open until the safety car is called for. So when we see on the screens that the safety car is to be deployed, not when the safety car is deployed, but the instruction is given for it to be deployed, the pit entry will be closed. Driver is out of the number 50 car.